There's a drop of water on the wall, and the drop's about to fall, and it falls into a trickle, and the trickle is flowing down, down, down to the ground, and the moss begins to grow. Watch, 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 watch the water flow, and watch the current become a stream, busting through the seams, cracking through the concrete, bending down the steel, in a raging that is real, a tearing torrent you can feel the thunder growing, thunder underground, and in my heart the chains falling apart, the wildness in my soul, and for once in life, I know I'm not alone. For the mountains make our bones, with the oceans in our blood, our feet planted firmly in the mud. We are alive, the burning embers in our eyes, the tingling touch upon our skin. And in the heat of passion we begin to understand that we are of this land, that we are part of Earth, and when it's threatened we will fight for all we're worth. We watch the dam come crashing down, water rushing to the sea, and now the river, now the river, now the river.
Oh, these are like shears, but they'll work. Yeah. Can you cut this in half and then I'll...
Yeah. I don't eat fish except for sushi. Does it have to be cut out perfectly?
Oh no. Thank you.
Mine's not. Anybody else eat scissors? Yeah. Look how pretty mine is.
Okay.
That was really funny. While I was telling her, like, why we should take down the dam, Jesse walks through and says, "Oh, I need to borrow that pink."
Let's have purple. Hurry up.
Are you guys gonna like edit it?
1, 2, 3, go!
Thunder growing, thunder underground, and in my heart the chains falling apart, water rushing to the sea, and now the river, now the river, now the river, now is free.